My name is Wang. I'm the founder and director of Route2China. Route2China is providing expert service to connect companies, schools, and individuals to China. We specialize in providing work experience in China, such as project, weeks, internships, and workshops. I started my business in 2016. At that time, I really my customer base, so I really need tools to help me to find customers. LinkedIn is a tool I heard about, but I have no idea what LinkedIn is about. So I was curious to find out what LinkedIn can help me and can help my business to gain clients. I chose LinkedIn because most of the professional people are there, and also a large number of level C managements are there. These are really the client base which I'm looking for, because I'm looking for like school directors, principals, for example, also company managers, and LinkedIn is the best platform where you can find contact to these people. Yes, I get more than one client. I mean, the most concrete example I could give is actually Bearing Point, who actually found me through LinkedIn because I improved my LinkedIn profile, and I was then engaged for a speech event at the annual convention in Davos, and about 200 people attended to this event, and it was a great success for me. And thank LinkedIn and Erica, of course, that this happened. Because I really had no idea about LinkedIn before, and the learnings for me, the key learning for me is that before I thought, oh, LinkedIn, it's easy, you know, I just have to set up the profile, then I'm finished. But I just learned actually setting up profile is only the first step to make sure that your profile is attractive, professional, people knows at one blink what you're doing. But in fact, you need to maintain your profile on a regular basis. You need to invest time, and you need to be active. So that's the surprising part I didn't know about. But once I learned it from Erica that you are maintaining, you are really keep investing, keeping your relationship up, keep posting your LinkedIn, it's a great tool. Yeah, Erica treats you really like a client, like a human being. It's not that she just teaches you about the technical side about LinkedIn. She has a real and genuine interest about who you are, what your business are, and what goals you are trying to achieve. So I think she taught me not just the basic knowledge about LinkedIn or expert knowledge about LinkedIn. She also gave me much more other information beyond just LinkedIn. Yes, definitely. She's a fun, loving person, and she's really a specialist, expert in LinkedIn. And most of all, she takes your interest, your business interest, as her priority, and she uses LinkedIn to help you to gain clients. And I think that's where you get the most value out of her coaching.